Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Smart Cash app and confirming your identity. Set up 2FA and write down the seed phrase somewhere offline. Once done, verify the app version and connect only to secure Wi-Fi or a mobile network to avoid interception. Fund the wallet with a small test amount, for example $10, so you can confirm transactions and fees. Make sure notifications are enabled. They help you see confirmations in real time and catch problems early. Now you create the payment. Scan the QR or paste the recipient address and double-check for one-character errors because mistakes are irreversible. Next, pick a fee level fast for quick blocks, economy to save fees, and note the estimated confirmation time. Enter the amount, add a memo if you want internal tracking, then authorize using your PIN or biometric. After authorization, monitor the transaction status. Look for at least one confirmation before considering the transfer final. To finish, verify that the recipient received funds by checking the Transaction Explorer with your TZID. This shows confirmations and status. If a transaction stalls, you can resend or use replace by fee with a higher fee to accelerate it, but only after confirming the original is still unconfirmed. If the app crashes or your device is lost, restore your wallet from the seed on a trusted device. If anything goes wrong, never share the seed or private keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.